Craving Krispy Kreme donuts? I got you. To make this recipe, mix some yeast and water in your Bosch mixer. Let it rise for 10 minutes. Next, pour some sugar, salt, and egg yolks, and every recipe needs some vanilla. Next, pour some oil and the flour. Now, let the Bosch do its work. Knead the dough one last time. Cover and refrigerate for 3 hours. Remove the cover, let it rise for 20 minutes. Roll it out. Next, take any glass cup. Make circles in your dough. Here comes the fun part. Take something small and just pop out the middle. Now we heat some oil and put all the donuts in. Now we're going to make the glaze with some powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and some water. Just mix and dip each donut inside. For the full recipe, check us out on Instagram. Happy Hanukkah!